Hey, nature lovers, welcome back to another exciting episode where we delve into the wonders of the wild. Today I'm diving into the fascinating world of coastal brown bears and inland grizzlies. These magnificent creatures are often misunderstood, and we're here to set the record straight. Did you know that coastal brown bears are actually true grizzlies? That's right. Despite their different names and habitats, they share a lot more in common than you might think. Yep. Their DNA is identical to that of the inland grizzly. This means that genetically they are the same species, even though they live in very different environments. Now, let's talk about size. This is where things get really interesting. Coastal brown bears are absolute giants compared to their inland cousins. These coastal titans can weigh up to 1,500 pounds, while inland grizzlies usually max out around 800 pounds. The difference is pretty staggering, isn't it? But why is there such a significant size difference between these two types of grizzlies? It all boils down to diet. Coastal brown bears have access to a steady diet of protein-rich salmon thanks to their lush coastal habitats. This high-protein diet allows coastal brown bears to grow much larger. They feast on salmon, which is abundant in their environment, giving them the nutrients they need to reach their impressive size. Inland grizzlies, on the other hand, have to make do with berries, roots, and small mammals. Their diet is much more varied but less rich in protein. This difference in diet not only affects their size but also their behavior. Coastal brown bears, with their abundant food supply, are generally less dangerous to humans. Inland grizzlies, with their more limited food supply, tend to be more aggressive. They have to be to compete for scarce resources. So while coastal brown bears are stronger and larger, they are well fed and not as likely to see humans as a threat or competition. Meanwhile, coastal brown bears, with their abundant food supply, are generally less dangerous to humans. They're stronger, sure, but they're well fed and not as likely to see humans as a threat or competition. So next time you're out in bear country, remember this. It's not always the biggest bears you need to worry about. Sometimes the smaller ones are the greater risk. Smaller here means a 600 to 800 pound incredibly strong beast. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to appreciate the beauty and complexity of nature. These bears, whether coastal or inland, are a testament to the incredible adaptability and resilience of wildlife. Until next time, stay wild and don't feed the bears.